In the previous video, we already learned about how switch and router work. The summary is that switch is used to connecting many computers that in the same block subnet, and router is used to connecting many computers that in the different block subnet. And then, now in this video, we are going to practice about switch in Cisco Packet Tracer. Let's just start. Let's import a switch to our project. Go to Network Devices. Here we can see a router, switch, hub, wireless, and others. Click on the switch. Here we can use Cisco Switch 2960. Next, let's add some PC. Go to End Device and add some more PC. Let's say here we want to have 5 PC. And here we can remove cable between PC0 and PC1. Now let's connecting all of the PC to the switch. Okay, now all of PC already connected to the switch. Next, let's configure the IP address of all PC with the same block subnet. Let's say we will use the first block subnet. Let's start with PC0. The IP address is 10.10.10.1 and the subnet mask is 255.255.255.224. Next, for PC1, the IP address is 10.10.10.2 and the subnet mask is correct. Okay, next for PC2. The IP address is 10.10.10.3 and the subnet mask is 255.255.254. Next, for PC3, the IP address is 10.10.10.4 and the subnet mask is 255.255.254. And last, for PC4, the IP address is 10.10.10.5 and the subnet mask is 255.255.254. Okay, we have done configuring IP address for all PC. Now, let's test the connection between all PC. Here we can test using packet. Let's test from PC0 to PC1. Okay, here we can see that the result is successful. Here we can see many results. We can just delete it. Now, let's test again from PC0 to PC1. Okay, success. From PC1 to PC2, also success. From PC3 to PC4, also success. And from PC4 to PC5, also success. Okay, so now all PC can communicate each other. This is because all of PC is in the same block subnet. For the testing, now let's change the IP address of PC4. Let's say we want to change to 10.10.10.40. And if we see our calculation before, 10.10.10.40 is in the second block subnet. So, PC4 should not be able to communicate with others PC. Okay, let's send packet from PC4 to PC3. Here we can see that the result is failed. Now, let's test again from PC4 to PC2. Also failed. From PC4 to PC0. And this is also failed. Okay. So remember that switch is used to connecting many PC or computer that is in the same block subnet. If there is a PC that in the different block subnet, so that PC cannot communicate with other PC. Okay, now let's change the IP address of PC4 again. Let's change this to 5 again. Let's try to ping from PC3 to PC4. And okay, now the result is success. Okay, I think enough for this video. In the next video, we are going to practice with router. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.